Okay, hello everyone. Myself Vaibhav Sarode. I am from SYIT and today I will be going to explain how processes are managed in OS. So let's start with our first command, which is htop. So htop is an interactive process viewer for Unix system. It is an improved version of top command. So actually top command is also used for the same purpose to show how many processes are there, but htop is an upgraded version of it. So here we can see CPU, memory, and swap uses. Here also we can also see process ID, then which user is using what process, also the priorities given to the process. Then we can downside we can see some shortcuts for help, setup, search, filter, tree, sort by, nice, kill, and quiet. Then upside we can see there are 154 tasks. Then in that one task is just running. Then we can also see the load average, which is how much time it is required to load the process. Then it also displays the CPU and memory percent. So let's quit it and look to our next command, which is top command, which is generally provided by the system, and htop here we need to install it. So as we can see, everything looks similar. Process ID, user, yeah, means there is no such difference exist. Only Yashop allows you to interactively manage processes using your keyboard or mouse, while top requires you to manually type the process IDs. So let's move to the next command. Let us clear this console. So I will type Control C and then clear command to clear the console. Okay, so our next command is PS. PS means process status, which shows information about the active processes. So here we can see two active processes in the system with process ID 31746 and 38015. So we can have one command, that is kill, to kill these processes. So I will first kill the first process, which was my actually file manager open in the system, and now this process is killed, and which was a bash process. Now let us see for the PS process whether it means whether it deletes or not. So I have run it and the process ID is also same, but no such process. So here we can see only bash process can be deleted, no other process can be deleted. So let's clear. Okay. So now we will look at some more PS commands with flag hyphen A. So this shows all the processes which are there in our system with their process ID and their time to live with their path where they are. And this is our one more process in the system, which is Brave. And I want to kill this process, so I will use kill and that process ID. Now my Brave browser will be killed, and yes, means you cannot view it here, but actually it is killed. Okay, so now let's look at next command, which is PSAUX. So it displays the detailed information on all process, which is in user oriented format, and we can see that user PID, CPU percentage, also means detailed information. PS hyphen A only shows all the processes, but AUX shows the detailed information of the process. So we also have one more command similar to PS, which is PS hyphen EF, which commonly used to format the full format listing. Means here it shows the information of process, but it is formatted as you can see that we can see some fields, only some fields, which is UID, PID, PPID, C, then TTY, time, and CMD. Okay, thank you.